Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. We are here on a Thursday. I've barely vlogged this week. It's actually been weird. I don't know why. I feel like there's so much anticipation and planning with Vlogmas coming up that like current vlogs are just not on my mind. Have to get a good amount of work done today. Yesterday I don't know, I wasn't feeling well, and just especially in the evening for some reason just started getting like anxiety for seemingly no reason. I don't know why I was feeling that way. There was nothing that was there's nothing that was bothering me particularly that I felt like, oh, that's what's giving me anxiety. I just like had this anxious feeling, which was sort of unlike me. I don't feel anxious too often, certainly about like nothing. So anyway, it was just sort of a weird day. So I took it really easy and didn't really put too much pressure on myself to get too much work done. I just got sort of what needed to be done, and I figured I could make up for it a little bit today. So anyway, that's the deal. Actually, what else I did yesterday was I finished my book, It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. Could not put it down once I got to like, I mean, really from the beginning, it really captured me. But especially once I got to like the 80-page mark, I was like, had to keep turning the pages. I just was dying to know what was gonna happen next. Really enjoyed this story. Took a lot of different turns that I didn't expect. The ending was great. Overall, really liked this. Very glad that I read that though before the movie comes out. Obviously it hasn't even started filming yet, so we have plenty of time, but I definitely wanted to make sure that I read it beforehand, and now I get to follow along with the excitement around casting and stuff like that now that I know who all the characters are. So what should I read next, guys? I have a couple books, but honestly none of them are really calling to me right now. So I feel like I need to maybe order something new. I thought it was my first non-thriller of the year. It actually wasn't. Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo was the only other non-thriller that I've read this year, which probably is my favorite book of the year. Did I read Verity this year? Because I also loved that book. I also loved Silent Patient. They're all good. I love books. I don't think I'm gonna meet my reading challenge though. It wasn't even that many books. I had set my challenge to 12 books this year, which is totally doable, but I really slacked off for a couple of months, so it set me behind. Oh yeah, I did read Verity this year. Oh, I loved Verity. I honestly have loved every book that I read this year except for An Anonymous Girl. I didn't love it. I think I gave that one like 3 stars. And if I didn't, yeah, 3 stars. Yeah, it wasn't my favorite. I also really want to watch the Sharp Objects TV show now that I've read the book. I started it back when it first came out, but it didn't like capture me, but now I know the whole story and I would love to see it play out that way. So I gotta get into that. There's a lot of shows that I've been really behind on watching just because it's stuff that Connor doesn't watch, but also stuff that I don't really want to just have playing in the background while I'm working because I want to actually be able to pay attention to it. The morning show, Scenes from a Marriage. I think I'm 2 or 3 episodes into that. Loving it so far. It's on HBO. It's really good. The acting is so good in it. We finally finished season 2 of Succession yesterday, which is so good. It has me gripped. I finished season 1 of Sex Education, so we're gonna dive into season 2 of that pretty soon. Let me know, what are you watching right now? Give me something to eat. Okay, lunch today is going to be some leftover curry from last night, which looks so good. And it's currently 1:15. I finished my editing for the day, which is really great. And now I am, I don't know, gonna find something to throw on to watch. I think I probably have a ton of like reality BS to catch up on because I haven't watched TV in a couple of days. And then dive right back into work. But the day's going great. I think we'll even have time to get a workout in today, which is just so beautiful. Vlog's exporting. Let's do it. We got company. Hi, Molly. Say hello. Hi. I swear this cat has been a full-time job today because I'm trying to keep her awake. She has been sleeping all day and up all night and waking me up. Like last night she woke me up, I don't even know what time because I didn't, well first she woke me up at 3 a.m. but I went right back to sleep and she like came and cuddled in and then woke me up again, I don't know what time, and I couldn't get back to sleep. So eventually I checked the clock and it was 5:45 and I've definitely been up for like at least 30 minutes, probably longer. I just couldn't get back to sleep. So I've really been trying to keep her up today, active, moving around, because I can't do it. I'm so tired all the time because she's keeping me up. Got this package from Amazon, but it's just something exciting. It's just SD cards, because I usually work with 2 SD cards and that works pretty well, but for some reason they've been filling up really quickly lately. It must just be, I don't know what I'm doing, but they seemingly are filling up quicker, so I must be getting more clips. And with Vlogmas coming up, I wanted to make sure that I had some backup, because that's going to be a lot of clips. I'm just working on the last couple things on my to-do list here. I just need to finish sending out some follow-up emails, quite a few follow-up emails, so it's taking me a little while. And then after that, I'm pretty much good to go. So I think I'm gonna get a workout in, because I have really been putting off working out for weeks. I don't know, since I got back from Toronto, and I need to get back into the swing of things. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Connor has been good this week. He's already worked out twice and I've worked out zip. So I need to play some catch up here today. Okay friends, it is 5:20 p.m. and we are about to hop into a workout here. I'm gonna do a little strength flow. Connor just went out for a bike ride, so that's where he is heading. And so I'm gonna take advantage of having the living room and get my workout in. Can't believe how dark it is. I really wanted to go work out by the beach today, but I'm not working out outside alone in the dark, obviously. So it ain't gonna happen this time, but that is okay. I'm just glad that we're getting it in, because I've been putting this off for a really long time. It's not good, it's not good. So we just need to get into it, make it happen. It is the next day and I'm just starting to get ready right now, because today is Friday and I am going to an event with Kate. Going to Aloe's Winter House, which looks so cool. Cannot wait to check it out. I've seen it all over everyone's Instagrams so far this week, and I am very intrigued to check it out for myself. So that is what we are doing today. Absolutely, yes it is. The only downer is that it's all the way in West Hollywood, so we have to Uber so far, which is, you know, shitty. I think I want to do like a sort of shimmery eye, like wintry, you know? The AC is blowing right on me, it's freezing me out. Vlog battery died, but we're back and the AC shut off. But I still have this sweatshirt on anyway, it's fine. My fave little eye jellies from Jill Stewart. Look at that. Actually, I might want to use a different one. See how this one is just a little bit cooler than this one? We're going for like silvery, so I feel like this will be a good vibe. Ooh, yeah. It's not exactly what I envisioned, but whatever. I can't be bothered. I honestly don't have that much more to say, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this clip and I will show you guys what I decide to wear after I get dressed. Okay, this is gonna be the look just with a pair of sneakers on. Super casual, just a little pair of yoga pants, a little white tank here, and then my puffer for photo purposes only. And I think Kate just called our Uber, so we're gonna be heading out. Hello! Hello! We made it all the way to West Hollywood.
Oh my god, I'm honestly proud of this.
Me too. Right, we made it to the Aloe Winter House event. It is so cool in here.
We're basically on Winter House by Bravo, actually.
Yeah, we're sitting on a little ski lift moment here.
We are.
I've never been on a ski lift before, so first time ever.
The first and only time.
Yep, first and only.
Ever again. They're honestly terrifying. They're so scary. I feel like I'm gonna fall off.
I do not want it.
I'm like scared.
And I will die.
Allegedly. There's the cutest dog over here. Actually died. I'm walking through the snow.
Oh,
I am not okay.
It's also 5,000 degrees outside and about 3,000 degrees inside.
Yes, precisely.
And here we are in our puffer jackets. It's so hot. I am dying.
Things that we do.
But all for the photo.
You know, they have so many cute spots over here.
It is so good.
Just saying. It's a great Friday activity.
It is, right? It's Friday. Wow, the weekend is here.
Baby. Like, what flavor are you gonna get? You never know.
It's a mystery.
popsicles. They're so good. At first I thought they were kale. Matcha. It's matcha.
If this was a kale
Even
popsicle,
better.
I would have been so disappointed.
I just assumed that an LA popsicle was
It's a
kale.
face bag.
It's green, like a dark green.
They're really good though.
But it's keeping me cooler.
Yeah. I was like, I literally need this
Hey, honestly.
to try to help with the sweat.
I don't know why I'm still in this puffer, but I'm always wearing a puffer, so I feel like it's just a vibe. Have to fit in, you know.
Unicorn tears. What do we think this flavor is?
It's unicorn tears bitch.
I've seen Harry Potter. I know you're not supposed to fuck with a unicorn, so thank you. I'm gonna go with the yuzu citrus.
Cheers, bitch. Cheers, bitch. She's drinking unicorn tears.
I am not.
Oh, you didn't grab that one?
No.
Grab.
Yuzu citrus.
I don't even know what yuzu is.
Me neither, but it sounds good. Thank you. You want to switch? This is really good. This is like a little
Wonderland moment. So cute. Ah, made it back home and it feels so good. I'm so tired. Woke up tired today and then sitting in like more than 2 hours of Ubers is never ideal. So now I'm in bed eating a bowl full of goldfish. I'm loving my life. I think I'm gonna put on like the morning show and just chill, relax for a little while, and then make some dinner and have like a very chill rest of the day. Really nothing special going on. So as I said, don't think I'm gonna vlog tonight. Just sort of not feeling like it, and I don't think I need to, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. But thank you guys for watching. Hope that you guys enjoyed as always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.